Hello, welcome and thank you for joining another episode on the Aldo Moto YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking back at some of the bikes that entered onto the Malle Rally 2020, from some of the old 1975, 1980 era bikes through to cruisers and really inappropriate bikes you would take on a 2,000 mile round trip of the UK.
She's an R90S from 1975, BMW's first sports bike, iconic. I bought it about 6 or 7 years ago, toss up between Daytona Orange and Smoke Grey. When I was 16 and had my first moped, a Puch Tunturi moped, I was an avid reader of Bike magazine, and that was 1975. And this bike was the bike of the moment, and I vividly remember it when I was a kid, a young teenager.
And we've done around, 750, 800 miles to date in the past 3 days.
Yeah.
And apart from 1 or 2 starts, it's been pretty good.
Yeah, we've been good. We've been a little bit of tickling.
So what engine does it have on it?
It's a 900, what they call a airhead. So it's obviously air-cooled, flat twin, 900cc, twin carb Bing carburetors. That would be the total extent of my knowledge of it.
Sure. And it comes, the luggage, does that come with the bike? Is that a standard for the original bike?
The Krauser panniers are what you want to get, and allegedly they all spring open at speed, but touch wood, these never have, and they're the original panniers.
And how were the brakes in the rain yesterday?
Well, the brakes are all rusted up now, as you can see, but they're obviously not modern. They're not modern bike brakes, and they're not modern bike tyres. So I've got a skinny back tyre compared to you lot, and the front's more like your size. But you just need to plan your braking and plan your acceleration. The way to keep the old girl going is just drop a cog down before you even think you need it, because you just need to keep in the sweet spot. It's 26 litre, so just over 300 mile range. The only non-original bit up there in the cockpit is this rather manky looking tyre pal, which helpfully tells you whether you've got the correct tyre pressure.
And what do you love about the bike?
I love everything about the bike. No, I think the bike's fantastic. We've been all over Europe on it. My wife and I have travelled, a week, 10 days with both of our luggage in those panniers. So we've got a lot of lovely memories. We've been, it's never really let us down, to be honest. We had one trip down to the Alps where the gear lever refused to engage, and my wife came up with the idea of sticking a cork in between the some or other important part, which doesn't come to me at the moment, but the cork got us home, and we managed to get home on a
home by cork.
Home by cork, exactly. Yeah. So it's never let us down.
I take it a normal BMW. If you rocked up the normal BMW garage, they wouldn't have a clue on how to fix this. So did you go to a specialist? And...
Yeah. You need to get the old school guys on it. It hasn't got a computer or a plug-in point anywhere near it, so you need people who can fiddle around with stuff and tune by ear.
And any dislikes? I mean, on a 1,500 mile trip, at times you think, I could do with a heated grip or two. Or...
No, not really.
No?
The old girl's a wonderful thing. No,
amazing.
I haven't got any dislike. I love it.
Thank you.
Love it, yeah. Pleasure.